Oh my! Oh God, that is nuts. I hope Jess don't wake up. She's sleeping right now. Hey. They said it's about 11:30. We're in Cincinnati, Ohio, and it is lightning like I haven't seen in a long time. Camera keeps trying to autofocus. Oh. Dang. That is nuts. Let us know down in the comments, you guys. I know storms, rain, and lightning have been all over the country, so let us know how the storm. Oh my God! Wow! Hey, Chihuahua. Craziest lightning I've seen in a while. Check it out here for a couple more minutes. Wow, this is nuts. Whoa. Crazy storm. Oh my. Trying to get the actual strikes. Oh. These are the kind of strikes that'll send you back to the future. Whoa. Oh. That last one just traveled completely across the sky. Oh my goodness. Weather around here has been crazy. Crazy. Lightning everywhere. It was raining so hard before that you couldn't even see the cars outside. I mean, this is nuts. It's been raining and storming here every day. We don't get lightning like this every day, but the storms have just been ridiculous. It looks like a hurricane outside. When I decided to do a video on this tonight, there was a lightning strike that had gone all the way across the sky, like all the way at the top where it didn't hit the bottom. And I was like, oh, time to get the camera ready. Just wanted to put together this little lightning storm vlog for you guys. Really appreciate you guys watching the video. Hope you enjoyed. Stay safe. With all that being said, I am out, and always remember the adventure